I'm Pichia, a health educator with the Southern Nava Health District, here to welcome you to our pop-up produce stand at Bonneville Transit Center.
We aim to give our community increased access to affordable, locally grown, organic fresh fruits and vegetables. Pumpkins are a fall favorite. With their high levels of vitamin A, vitamin C, and carotenoids, this orange gourd can help you maintain a healthy heart, immune system, and eyesight. They can also lower your risk of some cancers. Try baking it with some cinnamon to spice up your meal. We want to give a huge thanks to Prevail Marketplace and RTC for their partnership. Healthy recipe cards, nutrition education, and other health resources will also be available at the pop-ups. For more information, call the Office of Chronic Disease Prevention and Health Promotion at 702-759-1270 or visit gethealthyclarkcounty.org. If you can't make it to the pop-up produce stand today, we have another one next month.
See you then!